you're still here with us, no, with the send-off of Miss Grand Philippines. And thank you so much also for your support. As of now, we're on our voting na for top 10 arrival para makapag-dinner kay Papa Nawat. So I can see some of the media pages sharing our photo online, and for that, maraming salamat po. My media friends, thank you. Next 25 also, I had my send-off yesterday at Kada Umaga, Matang Agila, and also I did the entertainment news last night. So medyo sunod-sunod po yung ating naging schedule. Kaya nga kung narinig nyo, sinabi kanina ni Mommy Jason, not feeling well. I'm not feeling well, but my heart is still grand. That's why I'm here in front of you, and I'm doing all of my very best. Hindi na nga 100 to parang 200% na to. Because andito na tayo, di ba? This is what we prayed for. And now we're praying for strength and guidance that soon we will have a historic back-to-back victory.
That's great. Thank you very much, Emma. With this overwhelming outpour of love, we're not surprised that you're feeling so emotional right now. Moving forward, let's now proceed with our Q&A segment. To our media friends, kindly state your name and affiliation before asking your questions. And please try not to ask more than 2 questions, just to give everyone a chance. Okay?
They'll try though. The first one.
Mauna po ako. Kuya Ethan Concepcion from Manila Standard. With Emma, I know kung gaano kahirap mag-live newscast mo. And you're a media practitioner. So what have you learned most being a newscaster, and how can you apply it to win our back-to-back Golden Crown and title?
Being a newscaster is really like the people trust you to give information to them. And your words really matter, and they're really powerful. So what I've learned from being a news anchor, because you're doing it live, you need to be really prepared. You need to review, research. You are not going to trust lang kung ano yung nasa script eh. Because sometimes there are mga parang mistakes or mishaps. So you really need to learn. You're a storyteller, and you're bringing like a big information to a lot of people. And I think yun yung pinaka-lesson na kaya kong madala sa Grand International stage. Like, you need to really research. You need to study hard and be careful with whatever words na iyong sasabihin. Kasi it might hurt or it might inspire people. So, di ba mas maganda kung mas nakaka-inspire tayo through our words?
Yeah, thanks so much, and so much agreed on that. Last question: we're in the era of AI and fake news. So, what advice can the youth and the young media practitioners can learn from you?
Like what I said earlier, we need to really research and be vigilant. You know, there are a lot of news that we hear, that we read online. So we need to be really careful on the sites, and we need to look at the multiple sources. Hindi tayo dapat mag-trust sa isa lang. We don't need to share agad-agad. What we need to do is think twice, think thrice, and look for multiple sources. AI na to. So, malaking tulong na, AI world na meron tayo. So, malaking tulong yon. So, dapat hindi lang in just one click, di ba? One click na yun na sa spread na natin, dun yun magmumula yung fake news eh. So, we really need to be vigilant right now.
Thank you, and best of luck for our back-to-back.
Thank you so much. Hello, Tito.
Hello, Emma. Okay, by the way, I know Aquino. Kaya ano tayo pa tayo. Anyway. Hello.
Hello, Tito.
Wala pa kayo naman natin.
Okay, for the past months, it seems na parang nagiging lucky charm natin nagiging lucky charm country natin ang Thailand. Early this year, Seagate took over and assumed the Miss Grand International title from Rachel. And just last night, si Kurt nanalo as Mr. International. So tingin mo kaya natin mag three consecutive in a row and back-to-back sa Miss Grand?
Hindi lang 3, meron pa tayo mga, di ba, candidates na lalaban sa Thailand. So, with your support, with your love, and with your prayers, I think we can make it. Because as you can see, I am doing my very best. Last week, I was just there to meet some of the Thai people and to mingle with them para naman makita nila na we're really ready and we're open for them to collaborate. So, marami pa tayong pasabog na ilalabas soon with other Thai personalities. So, abangan.
Okay, follow-up question lang ano. So, in your opinion, what is the difference between Emma, who competed internationally a few years back, and Emma now who is about to compete again in another major international battle?
What I can say is that Emma now is the evolved version with all the combined experiences and wisdom, because right after joining Miss Intercontinental 2019, I became a news anchor and TV host, and with all the experiences I had with Net25 and with the events I did outside, I think talagang malaking tulong siya for me to be the evolved version of Emma to be in the grand stage right now.
Wow, thank you so much and best of luck.
Hello, Aloy. Hi, Emma. I'm Edge of Pageantology, and congratulations in advance. Kailan ka lilipad going to Thailand?
I'm going to fly po on September 29, that's on Monday. So I'll see you also, I hope so. I see all of you sa airport on Monday, September 29. 3 days to go.
What time? When?
Ayan. Mag-chikang kayo dyan, ha?
Anong oras sa airport?
Of course, ito yung mga tinatanong ng ating mga pageant fans. Can you give us a clue or hint about your national costume?
Oh, about my national costume. Well, hindi na siguro secret na same pa rin ang national costume designer. It's with Patrick Asurena. But the style is, siguro hint na lang, hindi ako lalayo kung saan ako nanggaling. And that's something to do with Kapampangan.
Slender.
Ayun lang. Thank you so much and best of luck, girl.
Thank you!
Hi! Hello, Glenn.
Hello! Mabuhay!
Well, congratulations, and we're manifesting it, the back-to-back. So, my question will be a little bit, di naman,
Hero ba yan?
medyo hirapan natin ang slide.
Ala, parang may sakit ako ulit.
Because Miss Grand is about, diba, yung fight against war. Diba? And currently here in the Philippines, we're fighting a different kind of war as of the moment. We're fighting about war against corruption. So what can you say about it? Your thoughts about it?
Grabe, no? The corruption is, ang main source talaga niyan is greed. Greed of power, di ba? Greed of money. Doon yan nagmumula eh. And what I can say is, right now, we are all Filipinos. Lahat po tayo ninakawan. So, I think right now, it's time to fight for our right. And I commend all the people who went dun po sa 3 trillion march, no? And kahit wala po ako doon, I have my voice, they have my prayers, and it's time na no division na for this one, no colors. All we need to do is unite as one, fight for our rights, and I hope our officials will come out kasi they're public leaders eh. some of the people voted for them kasi they trusted them. So I hope that they will not break the trust and they will see us as part of their family also. Siguro kung makikita nila ganon, they will not do that to us. They will be accountable sa kanilang mga ginagawa.
Hi, Emma. This is Carl, content creator. So, Emma, tutuan ko lang rin yung question ni Diva. So, as a Filipino, they say that you have to use your voice. So nowadays, we're experiencing a lot of problems here in the Philippines. So, what is your message to all your fellow beauty queens and the kings out there who's afraid to speak up nowadays?
I can feel some of my beauty queen sisters kung bakit yung iba ay tahimik because let's face the reality. Some of the beauty queen will talk and then other people will comment negative about them. Some beauty queen will stay quiet pero may sasabihin pa rin po yung iba. What is my message to them is stay true to your core. Huwag niyong hayaan na ibang tao ang magmando sa inyo kung anong gusto niyo. You know the truth. You know yourself. You know better kung anong ang mas makakabuti sa lahat. So don't let other people be the captain of your own ship. Kayo lang po ang makakapagsabi. Nasa sa inyo. We have the platform. So I hope that you will use it in the right way.
That's it. Thank you so much. Don't be shy.
Hello, Emma. My question is, what makes Emma grand?
Even more sure.
What makes Emma grand? Okay, let's start with because I saw myself grow in a sense that I have goal. Next is, let's be realistic. Diba? With all the experiences I've been through, let's live in a reality. Next is this is an opportunity for us to have a back-to-back victory and another opportunity for us to represent our country again. And I will not waste it. Next is W. We need to have a way to move forward. So I think this is another way to move forward. And yun lang, all I can say is that makes Emma grand. The girl that I have in my heart.
Thank you. Hello, I'm PJ from PJ Monday PH. So I'm sure na nakapag-usap kayo ni CJ regarding yung competition. So ano yung advice niya na pinaka-tumatak sa'yo?
Advice niya, ang dami nung advice na binigay sa akin ni CJ the last time. Pero siguro ang pinaka-tumatak sa akin ay be genuine, be authentic. Because all of the girls are hungry for the crown. And what you can offer Ate Emma is your personality. As long as you're genuine, as long as you're authentic, the organizers and Mr. Nawat will see that. Makikita niya kung gaano ka kauhaw at kung gaano mo ka-deserve yung crown.
Thank you.
Adam, don't be shy.
Hi, Emma.
Hello po.
Yeah, you're about to take the grandest pageant in the whole world. So I'm wondering, which activity in Miss Grand International are you looking forward to participate?
I'm looking forward to participate in a closed door interview because I'm excited and both nervous because I don't know kung anong question yung itatanong sa akin ni Papa Nawat this time. But I'm excited kasi it's a one-on-one interview with Papa Nawat and the organizer. So yun siguro yung pina-excited ako. Kasi yun na yung time that I can share my own story.
What about dun sa other segments like the Grand Voice? Meron ka bang niluluto na
I think for this year, they don't have the grand voice. What do they have is the grand talent na. So, pinalitan na siya for this year. Buti na lang, di ba? Pero kahit grand voice din ilalaban natin. Pero ngayon, I think parang few days pagka-arrive namin doon, magkakaroon na ng audition for the grand talent. Meron siya na audition na magaganap. So for this one, kung sinong gusto, for today, kung sinong gusto mag-audition for the grand talent, mamimili sila, tapos meron na naman another audition. So parang ganun siya mangyayari. But we're ready.
Alright.
Born ready.
Actually, may isa pa akong question.
Go.
Even with your answer a while ago about Panama, sa tingin mo, with who you are right now and what you can offer to the organization, sa tingin mo, pagdating sa arrival dinner, confident kang magugustuhan ka ni Papanawan?
I wouldn't say confident, pero I'm hoping na sana magustuhan tayo ni Papa Nawat with the personality that I have. Kasi ang gusto mong ipakita doon, hindi yung parang another bida-bida-bida. Parang gusto ko ipakita doon is yung kung anong meron talaga si Emma na hindi pa siguro niya nakikita sa isang queen. Yung mapapa-wow siya, sana sa personality na ipapakita natin sa kanya. Pero, makakasali lang tayo doon kung magbo-vote ang sambayanan. Di ba? Kaya, yun muna yung i-hope natin na makasama tayo sa dinner. So, I'm asking for your support there.
Feeling ko naman, kasi maganda na yung relationship ng Filipino fans and the organization. So, hindi na mahihirapan mag-convince among the fashion fans themselves na to rally behind in every activity for the competition.
Thank you. You know what? I'm also grateful kasi kinikilig ako, totoo lang, kapag nire-repost ni Papa Nawat yung ibang story ko. So, doon parang sabi ko, naku, Papa Nawat, sana naman.
Sige, we're looking forward to that, for more stories for Papa Nawat to repost about you.
Thank you.
Addition of that.
Sige, dito, bro.
Okay, Emma. Okay, give it a chance. Hello. Okay. Give it a chance. What popular or unique Filipino items or custom or tradition would you like to bring to Thailand that most of people there are not aware of?
Siguro, I'll focus na lang dito on the item, no? Kasi if I will talk about the Filipino trait, it's all about us being palaban. Our resiliency also. So, parang alam naman na yun eh. Pero siguro kung item, what I'm going to bring there is a handmade item by my mom that I will give to the girls and Papa Nawat. So, abangan nyo kung ano yung ibibigay ko na yun. It's not the usual thing that you will see sa store because I really made sure na maramdaman ng candidates and Papa Nawat na I am really excited to meet them. So, dala-dala ko yung handmade item na gawa ng mama ko and papa ko going to Thailand.
Sana all mag-hear.
Ay, ma, baka nanonood yung nanay ko dyan. Ma, baka daw mabigyan yung media. Oh,
For the process.
personalized. Yes.
Ayan, how grand is your preparation and how grand are your wardrobes?
Hello, we're talking about preparation. Siguro naman you can see on my Instagram page and my Facebook page that we're doing a lot. No, it's not just, minsan niya sasabihin ko, parang kulang yung 24 hours a day para magawa lahat yun. So I hope nakatulog din kayo doon. Another one is the amazing Bangkok series that we did. And gaano ka-grand ang aking OOTDs? Oo, nakikita niyo naman siguro judging pa lang, no? So, tignan na lang natin yung mga pasabog na OOTDs na ilalabas natin because we're working with a lot of Filipino designers and I'm thankful that I have good people people, good team behind me. Vico, kaya wala siya dito, is busy doing the wardrobe thing. And with the help also of ALB, ayan, alam niyo namang walang pinapalampas si ALB pagdating sa OOTD. Chine-check niya lahat. So, abangan na lang natin ano yung mga ilalabas natin na OOTDs with different Filipino designers. Yung iba, hindi ko pa nakatrabaho na designer, pero na-excite ako kasi nag-yes sila for this.
And what have you prayed for last night?
Ito na lang. Actually, I prayed for last night that I told Papa God that, God, I know there's a reason why you put me here, and I will stick to that. And whatever reason that is, I am ready as long as you will give me strength and guidance. My faith is in you. In my words and my actions, I hope that I will show the talent that you gave me.
Okay. Oh, ready nyo na yung ano?
Ayan na.
Ready nyo na yung ano nyo? Cellphone na.
Papatay mo the first.
Okay na kayo?
Ako naman may tanong.
Sige.
Sino na ang nakabook pabangko?
Madami na.
I love it!
Si Adam ang una.
Same flight.
Si Adam ang una.
Love it! Papa na what? Be ready!
Emma.
Anong kararating mo lang mo?
Ano na daw po niya? Second mo.
Ayan. Emma.
Wait.
Okay, wait up.
Okay, go.
Emma Mary Tiglao, why should you be the next Miss Grand International?
I should be the next Miss Grand International 2025 because I have the courage, I have the compassion, and I have the heart to serve the grand world. And I am here to inspire, be the voice, and be the eyes of the people. I hope that you will trust me because this grand organization, I am ready to work with you.
Last two questions. Nico from Pep. Dito po. Have you talked to any of the other candidates and sino sa tingin mo yung biggest competitor mo?
Ang nakausap ko pa lang sa Instagram, I see Miss Czech Republic, and medyo nagka-exchange naman na kami ng messages. And sino ang biggest competitor ko? Hindi ko pa masabi ngayon because what we can see on social media are just photos and videos. Siguro masasagot ko na yan kapag nakita-kita na. But right now, my biggest competitor is myself. Because alam niyo naman na pressure din to have this journey because we're aiming for back-to-back victory. So, better to focus on myself na lang instead of focusing on other people para alam din natin kung ano yung strength na pwede natin ipakita sa grand stage.
Last question. Your message to your fans bago ka mag-Miss Grand Philippines. Introduction.
Wow! To my fans, to my friends, my family, my Amazonas family, my team, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I can see your love, your support, na yung iba nga parang natataranta na kasi kapag nauumusan na tayo na ibang country sa likes, no? Pero maraming salamat as long as you're there, as long as I can feel your support. Ilalaban natin ng buo, ilalaban natin ng grand ito. Maraming salamat po. I love you all.
Thank you, Nico. Let's hear now from Sir Arnold. Sir ALB, are you flying to Thailand to show your support for Emma?
Oh yes, of course. I'm going to Thailand on 16 of October 16. Flying from New York. So I'm coming from New York. So from New York, I go straight to Bangkok on the 16th. Because on the 17th, we have these national directors
dinner party. So all the candidates will be there. So that's a very important activity actually of the Miss Grand.
All
Of course,
right.
I will support, definitely. I will do my best to bring the back-to-back for our country.
All right. Thank you, Sir BLB. Any more questions?
Sample pa sa rin.
Sample of introduction.
Sample daw.
Ano ba? Yung introduction na to, hindi ba ito yung makikita nyo sa grand stage, ha? Para may pasabog. Ito muna yung ano.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer. Oo, kasi pinaghahandaan niya ni Mami G. Dito na lang siya.
Beta version.
Version 2.0.
Ay, wala pong mic pala.
Hawakan mo muna dyan, Ray. Yan, di hawakan ko.
Ikaw na lang nag-intro.
Thank you. Sabi niya, paano ko hawak? Di ako naka-video. Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand
Another,
Other side.
Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand Ang boses nila ni Sir. Para pang grand voice. Thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat po. Mag-iingat kayo po. Buti hindi na ganun ka nakasiwalan. No? Maraming salamat.
Let's now ask our guests for our photo ops. Please rise.